Parts of the house. Parts of the house. Bedroom. Bedroom. Sentence: we sleep in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. Kitchen. Kitchen. A sentence: we cook in the kitchen. We cook in the kitchen. Bathroom. Bathroom. Example: he takes a shower in the bathroom. He takes a shower in the bathroom. Living room. Living room. Example: we watch TV in the living room. We watch TV in the living room. Study. Study. Example: we do homework in the study. We do homework in the study. Dining room. Dining room. Example: we have meals in the dining room. We have meals in the dining room. Garden. Garden. Example: I water the garden every day. I water the garden every day. Garage. Garage. Example: she parks the car in the garage. She parks the car in the garage. والآن أمامكم اختبار بسيط. Match words with pictures. Match words with pictures. يعني سوف تقابلون الكلمات مع الصور. Living room. Living room. Dining room. Dining room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Garage. Garage. Study. Study. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Garden. Garden.